24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano sort of is floating at $590, 783 and 93,000 in a genuinely significant manner, which is genuinely critical. ADA down roughly 359% inside the pretty most recent 24 hours in an especially huge manner. Cardano's MA10, generally all things considered, shows a vertical pattern, kind of genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Cardano for the most part shows negative energy throughout the end of the week in an especially huge manner. 05 April 2024. In this video we will essentially walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for in every practical sense. 1 week from now and for the most part attempt to answer these regularly for the most part gotten. Clarification on pressing issues facts. What sort of for the most part is somewhat transient cost expectation for Cardano? Generally in a real sense is ADA a very wise interest in a genuinely significant manner incredibly. Cardano support and obstruction levels and so on, which generally in every practical sense is very huge. However, prior to jumping exceptionally profound into the ADA specialized investigation, in a real sense let us especially fundamentally discuss the all things considered, genuinely current economic situations. Genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a ruin of 184%, bringing the truly whole cryptographic money market to $2 492, 603, 616, 514, or so they truly thought, which for the most part is very critical. The truly absolute exchanging volume truly in every way that really matters, remains at $105, 179, 779, 26, or so they basically sort of thought. Bitcoin shares 82% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense really has a strength of 16.33%, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking, which actually by and large brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $66,895 world level after a decay of some 59% in an unpretentious manner incredibly. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum, fundamentally has seen a value diminishing of 318% coming to $257.94 during the past 24 hours, which certainly for the most part is genuinely critical, which really is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $578.84, following a value change of 19% within a similar time period, sort of additional appearance how ADA down roughly 359% inside the entirely all goals and purposes most recent 24 hours in a quite huge manner. Sol, the fundamentally especially local coin of Solana basically, is somewhere near 857, and as of now exchanging at $172.88 in a sort of significant manner, which is genuinely huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 0.60 subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which all things considered is very huge in a genuinely significant way. These occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market sort of certainly is going in a sort of descending course for exceptionally present moment, pretty in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. As of now, a lovely kind of broad, extremely regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. Cardano backing and obstruction backing and opposition actually by and large are significant specialized markers used to sort of recognize sort of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, in every way that really matters, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Support sort of is a level at which purchases in a real sense explicitly become in every practical sense more sort of dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing that moreover, Coco's BCX came to 0.60 in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an exceptionally large way. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which dealers truly become move commonly kind of dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which in a real sense shows that various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part has seen a value decline of 3.18% coming to $257.94 during the past 24 hours in a by and large enormous manner. Following in a real sense are the help and opposition levels of Cardano ADA. Cardano execution ADA certainly for the most part has recorded a downtrend, losing 359% in kind of most recent 24 hours, showing what especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $66,895 above level. After a decay of 59%, kind of beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking in a significant way. The pretty especially current worth of Cardano sort of in a real sense is floating at $1.57 with the exchanging volume of $590, 783 or 93 US in the equivalent time span, which quite shows that Cardano's in May 10 explicitly truly shows a vertical pattern in a fundamentally huge manner. The really in general market cap for ADA basically essentially is 2020 245 986 350 US, while the coin cost changes 13.41% throughout the week. Exceptionally further appearance how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value reduction of 3.8% coming to $3,257.94 during the past 24 hours, which sort of is genuinely huge. Cardano value examination ADA cost investigation. For 05 April 2024 inside a kind of essentially everyday time period explicitly by and large made sense of underneath, exhibiting how yet prior to plunging especially beautiful profound into the ADA specialized investigation, most certainly in a real sense let us in every practical sense discuss the kind of current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. We utilize fundamentally relative strength indexes, moving pretty kind of normal union and difference MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including most certainly straightforward moving exceptionally normal SMA and outstanding moving pretty normal AMA to basically break down the future development of the Cardano in every practical sense, significant way. The adosed moving kind of normal union and difference MACD pointer for the most part basically is showing a by and large certainly present moment in a real sense sell genuinely signal as the MACD line in every way that really matters. Most certainly is moving underneath kind of truly signal line which explicitly by and large means sort of bears generally are ruling on the lookout, exhibiting that the all things considered, genuinely all-out exchanging volume in a real sense, remains at $105, 179, 779.26. Also they most certainly thought, or so they thought. While ADA's Williams %R marker most certainly is at 72,644 for the 14-day time span showing a nonpartisan condition. Exchange really signal by and large is truly conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how Sol the in every practical sense, local coin of Solana all things considered, is somewhere near 857 and at present exchanging at $172.88 in an especially genuinely huge manner. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 13 and fundamentally is attempting to really break out of the negative zone while featuring gigantic negative strength, which basically in a real sense is very critical, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Ends there certainly most certainly had been in every practical sense, extremely regrettable pattern for quite a while, and it appears to be that the coin's recovery will truly go on as most certainly fundamentally lengthy as it basically stays in the rosy region, which most certainly essentially shows what sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $66,895 world level after a decay of 59% in a really significant manner. You ought to just in every way that really matters. Get crypto this moment assuming you're ready to hold it through the high points and low points of the crypto